Are you tired of wearing a hat for your thinning hair and you don't want to get a hair transplant because you cannot shave your head? You don't have to worry about it anymore. I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, and I invented this technique for people with active lifestyle who want to have a confident result. The only hair transplant in the market that even your hairstylist cannot tell. It's perfect if you don't want to have downtime. No shaving, no pain after procedure. The advantage for busy people with active lifestyle and back to work and your life as soon as possible. Want to keep it discreet, even from your family members. The story started when I was doing hair transplant, and we are getting these celebrity patients that they wanted to have more hair, but there is no way they could shave their head. Constantly followed by TMZ, and they could not have even one day of covering or shaving their head. That's why we call it celebrity hair transplant, because we started with celebrity, but it doesn't mean that you have to be a celebrity to get one. Click here and start your journey now.